From the Severe Weather Center, meteorologist Jessica Blum.
If you were to step outside right now, you wouldn't notice that there's much on the ground, but I have snowfall reports to prove that snow did fall over much of the state overnight and into this morning, but really impressive snowfall reports for some, especially out west, and not by much. I mean, you had a 2.5-inch report just outside of Lincoln toward Garland. Ord had a little over 3 inches, 3.5 toward Myrna, and really St. Paul reporting the most snow at 3.6 inches. If you're looking for Lincoln on these reports, well, we got a little less than an inch, and that report came before the second band of snow came through this morning, so that may not be finalized, and maybe we had a little bit more than that. But the best thing about this time of the year is that the snow doesn't last all that long. But quite a whirlwind this week has been so far, only because the temperatures were in the 80s on Monday, and then we woke up to a snowy scene early this morning, and we're going to face more weather whiplash going into the end of this week and even into this weekend. So hold on tight. This ride is going to last quite a while, especially because we have many passing disturbances that are going to switch around the wind direction. Namely today, we've faced some wind gusts up as high as 35 miles per hour out of the north and northwest. But tomorrow, winds are going to increase out of the southwest in southeast Nebraska, anywhere from 40 to maybe 50 miles an hour before calming down, I think, into the early portions of the weekend. But Saturday into Sunday, those winds are going to change direction and really increase out of the north and be very strong, around 50 miles per hour. I think a little stronger by the end of the weekend, even more so than what we have to talk about for your Thursday. So here's a look at wind gusts by this afternoon. Looking out of the west, northwest for a lot of us, strongest especially in south central and southeast Nebraska, easing up into this evening, but still an apparent breeze before we have quiet winds. I think overnight, mostly clear skies, which will allow temperatures to drop. But notice these winds cranking up throughout tomorrow morning and into the afternoon. They'll be peaking around 40 to 50 miles per hour in southeast Nebraska. And then you've got a strong westerly wind, and this model may be underdoing it out in western Nebraska. I think we could see wind gusts as high as 60, 65, maybe even up to 75 miles an hour, especially out in the Panhandle. They had just their wind watch upgraded to a high wind warning that will be in effect from Thursday morning through the evening hours for those wind gusts that could be at times damaging when you're talking about that strength. Now we do have some National Weather Service offices updating the fire weather watch that we had in place for much of the state to a red flag warning. Most of the state is likely to go under this red flag warning. You see eastern Nebraska right now in the fire weather watch, but we're likely all to go under the red flag warning for Thursday afternoon through the evening hours, just because of the dry vegetation we've had out there, the warm winds now picking up, and any fire that could get going under these conditions would likely spread quickly across the state. So keep that in mind. Limit any burning to none on the day tomorrow especially. But really hard to pick out any snow on the ground in the capital city. Even the snow that did manage to stick this morning was on some colder spots. The streets were mostly wet for the morning commute as we're looking at blue skies now at 12:15 on your Wednesday with temperatures above freezing, but not by much. We're trying for 40 degrees as we get into the afternoon hours, but gusts are still up around 30 miles per hour as well. And that north to northwest wind is certainly making it feel a bit colder. So here's your current temperatures across the state. But we look at these winds, we factor them in out of the west to northwest and a higher wind gust anywhere from 30 to 35 miles per hour at times. And we feel like this. We feel like the 20s on your Wednesday, again, after being in the lower 80s on Monday afternoon. So weather whiplash already into the middle of this week. I think we'll face that again into this afternoon. It's impressive to see the snow on satellite. You see northern Nebraska really saw most of it, but you notice the edges too, already starting to shrink. Yeah, March and this sun angle being higher allows for some efficient melting at this time of the year. So mostly sunny skies for a lot of us in the state. Maybe some clouds trying to pop up in portions of north central, northeast Nebraska. Can't rule out a sprinkle or two up that way, but we'll be largely quiet tonight into the day tomorrow with maybe some more clouds building in. Still mostly sunny to partly cloudy for your Thursday, but mainly dry. So your Schaefer's Lincoln forecast for Wednesday, temperatures in the upper 40s with sunny skies, making a run for almost 50, which is seasonal for this time of the year. Maybe a sprinkle north, partly cloudy into this evening, but largely quiet with temperatures getting into the 30s by 9 o'clock. So a chillier overnight temperature, but your high temperatures for Wednesday closing in on almost 50 degrees, if not above above and below by a few degrees. Your low temperatures tonight, though, in the 20s for just about everyone, and then we're a lot warmer. But remember, very windy on your Wednesday with very extreme fire danger across the state, high wind warnings out west. We're down again on Friday before up again Saturday, but really down with those temperatures Sunday and Monday in the 30s. And you can't rule out some wintry weather by the end of the weekend.
What a roller coaster. I think this forecast this week between the 80s and the snow, that is perfect spring Nebraska weather.
It is March Madness. Mother Nature, Nebraska, we know at this time of the year, cannot make up her mind, and we're going to see everything, and we're going to fit it in a few days' time.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Be ready for anything. All right.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much, Jessica. Next on 1011 News.